Now sodium, that is NaCl. All right, tell me the names of this sodium group 1 S block group 1 elements. याद है? नहीं है, ठीक है. NaCl, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, KCl, ठीक है. रुबिडियम, it is रुबिडियम, RbCl, CsCl, ठीक है. Now arrange them in the this. Arrange them in covalent character. For covalent character, arrange them according to covalent character in the decreasing order. The first one will be the most consisting of the most covalent character, and then accordingly we can go for the least. मैंने क्या बताया था? Apply the concept. मैंने क्या बताया था? टॉप टू बॉटम क्या होगा? What will happen? Electronegativity decreases, and from left to right, electronegativity will increase, right? So look at the metal part. These are metal, ठीक. M, these are metal, and these are halogens. But halogen is same, that means you don't have to look for top to bottom. Because the halogen is same. This is not changing, this is changing. That means left to right also is not applicable, but because in this case it's happening in the same group. Okay, so again you have to, for the metal you have to look for top to bottom. So when you will go top to bottom, what will happen? The electronegativity will decrease. Okay, so that means which metal will have the least, which metal will be least electronegative? Can you tell me? So least electronegative decreases, top to bottom decreases. They are in the same group. Okay, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium are in the same group in the first periodic table. Okay, in the first group. So the least electronegative will be cesium. But when this is least electronegative, what can you say about the covalent character? Covalent character will be less or more. Go back. Look at these examples. Metal is same, ठीक है. Non-metal is different. When you left to right, electronegativity increases. और क्या बताया था मैंने? कि what happens? Covalent character कैसे पता चलेगा? When the compound or the molecule will have the most covalent character when the surrounding part, when the non-metal will be the most electronegative. नहीं समझा? कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर के लिए मैंने क्या बताया था? देखो, कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर पे कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर पर व्हाट डिपेंड्स? इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर, ठीक. अच्छा, तो जिसका इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ज्यादा, कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर उतना ज्यादा. तो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी इसका ज्यादा है ना, तो कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर ज्यादा होगा. इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू covalent character. So to find the covalent character, what you need to know? You need to know electronegativity of either metals or non-metal. When the non-metal is same, you don't have to worry about the non-metal because it will be same. There is no variation. When there is a variation, the variation is happening in the metals, right? So the metal is changing. Now you need to know the concept. Which concept? That from top to bottom electronegativity decreases. That simply means which is at the top it will have the most, it will be most electronegative. So this, since this will be the most electronegative, that means it will consist of the more covalent character, and this will be least, this will have the least covalent character because cesium is least electronegative in the periodic table. समझ में आया? Now what will be the order? CSCl, RBCl, KCl and अच्छा, ये किसका ऑर्डर है? कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर का. अब मुझे बताना कि आयनिक कैरेक्टर का क्या होगा? अपोजिट में क्या होगा? जस्ट रिवर्स द ऑर्डर, जस्ट रिवर्स द ऑर्डर. समझ में आ गया? देखो देखो कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर क्या है ना, हम और डिटेल में स्टडी करेंगे जब हम कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड पढ़ रहे होंगे, बट ये क्वेश्चन आया इसलिए मैंने तुम्हें इतना बता दिया. बताने को तो मैं बता दूंगा अभी, पर फिर टाइम चला जाएगा. ठीक है, क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि जितना छोटा मेटल रहेगा, साइज ऑफ द मेटल, जितना छोटा मेटल रहेगा, इफ द साइज ऑफ द मेटल इज स्मॉलर देन द नॉन मेटल अटैच्ड टू इट, if the size of the non-metal is greater than the size of the metal, it will be more, it will consist of the more covalent character. There is a reason behind it, because मैं तुम्हें एग्जाम्पल से समझाता हूँ. ठीक है, I'll just give you an example, a small example. See, this is sodium, size of the sodium is this much, that's it. ठीक, this is chlorine, size of the chlorine is this much. See, the size of sodium is this much, for chlorine it is this. It is very little, it is very little, right? Chlorine is a huge metal. So what happens is, since there is a positive charge on the this chlorine and negative charge on the positive charge on the sodium and the negative charge on the chlorine, right? So what will happen? What will happen is, this metal or the size, this will attract the electron cloud. So this will become like this. It can attract the electron cloud. This process is known as the polarization. Polarize. The electron clouds will get polarized towards this metal. Take an example of a small ball, ठीक है, and a football. ठीक, what will happen if you try to push it towards the football? What you can do, at least you can make it pierce little bit, at least this much into the football, right? Because it is small, it can get inserted into the football. So what it can do, it can take the whole electronic cloud of this non-metal. समझ में आ रहा है? कैसे और कैसे समझा सकता हूं मैं? अच्छा, एक ये एग्जांपल हो गया, एक ये एग्जांपल हो गया. व्हाट विल बी द अनदर? व्हेन द मेटल इज स्मॉलर, ठीक है, एंड द नॉन मेटल इज ह्यूज वन. व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेन द मेटल इज ऑफ द सेम साइज एंड द नॉन मेटल इज ऑफ द सेम साइज? Can you push two footballs inside them? Not possible, because they are of the same size. Or don't take the football, take the two balloons, because they are more flexible. Now take one smaller balloon, this much, and one bigger balloon, this much. What will happen if you push it inside it? It will go inside it, right? And what the concept is, it can take the whole space of this, the larger balloon. What will happen in this case when there will be two balloons of the same size? If you try to push them towards them, right? They can't. One cannot get inserted into the another one. The thing is that the size of them is same. Here this is why this is happening, because of the size. It can take the electronic cloud of the non-metal. It can polarize the electronic cloud of the non-metal. और कैसे समझाऊं मैं? कुछ समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा? पहले ये बताओ. अच्छा, मुझे लगा कि नहीं आ रहा है. एम आई क्लियर? मैं क्या बताना चाह रहा हूं तुम्हें समझ में आ रहा है? चलो बहुत अच्छा। तो होता क्या है कि पोलराइजेशन का जो प्रोसेस है, द प्रोसेस ऑफ पोलराइजेशन गिव्स यू एन आइडिया अबाउट द कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर। जितना ज्यादा पोलराइजेशन होगा उतना ज्यादा कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर होगा। एंड पोलराइजेशन किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा? जितना छोटा साइज होगा मेटल का उतना ज्यादा पोलराइजेशन होगा, जितना ज्यादा पोलराइजेशन होगा उतना ज्यादा कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर होगा। नाउ गोइंग बैक टू द सेम एग्जांपल, NaCl, KCl, RbCl एंड CsCl। सोडियम सबसे छोटा है इसमें, सोडियम इज द स्मॉलेस्ट मेटल, राइट? सो व्हाट आई सेड, if the size of the metal is smaller, then what will happen? Polarization will be large and the covalent character will be more. Size is smaller, what will happen? Polarization will be increase and accordingly covalent character will. This is the formula. This is one of the formula for metal. For reverse the order for the non-metal. Now, if you go for the this, it satisfies the last one. What about the previous one? The first question that I gave you. MF, MCl, M. यहां पे क्या ये वैलिड है? बिकॉज यहां पे साइज सेम है मेटल का। लुक, मेटल का साइज सेम है, तो पोलराइज किस बेसिस पे होगा? नॉन मेटल, दिस फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन एंड आयोडीन। अब इनके साइज देखो, फ्लोरीन इज स्मॉलर, नाउ this will polarize more, right? Because the metal is smaller, non-metal is very large. But in this case we cannot apply this because that's only applicable to the metal. यहाँ पे electronegativity देखनी पड़ेगी. We have to look for the electronegativity difference. The order will be this. समझ में आता है? यहां पे थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होगा, बट ये तो क्लियर है। मेटल्स के केस में क्लियर है, नॉन मेटल्स के केस में जब टॉपिक और आ जाएगा एग्जैक्टली तो फिर हम अच्छे से देख लेंगे।